Yo, what's good, people? Hope you're all well and surviving out there, because it's pretty shit at the minute, isn't it? It's coronavirus. Anyway, this is just a quick review on the recently dropped mAx 90 pirate radios in the royal blue colour. That's the shoe from the lateral side, shoe from the medial side. The back, we've got that, so you got a little swoosh there, and then it's like a radio wave frequency, whatever you want to call it. The laces, they're a bit thinner than your usual mAx 90s. I've got another pair of mAx 90s, even though I'm not actually a big fan of 90s, but it's just to compare. If you look, the thickness is definitely different. But yeah, inside, nothing special, just your average NiKe. On the white pair of laces, you get blue tips. You do get a spare set of blue laces that come with them, but they haven't got white tips, they've just got blue tips. But it's nice that NiKe have brought back the bags with the black NiKe. NiKe and the NiKe swoosh tick, whatever you want to call it, because they stopped doing it for a bit, and I thought, well, you know, have to be cheap. But yeah, this is the box. So mAx 90 NRG, deep royal blue, light smoke grey, yeah, UK 7, USA. So you got your, whatever that is, I don't know. And you've got your stamp to say that they're legit. Quality control passed. Now, that made me laugh. Quality control. I ain't wore these, both sides, but they're passed somehow, so I don't know. No big deal anyway, but yeah. Oh, and they also come with 3 90s fans. Come with like a gold 90s keyring. Now, I'm not a big 90s fan. This is like my third pair. One, two, yeah. This is my third pair of 90s that I own, because I'm not a big fan of them. I was when I was a kid, but now I just collect ones. I've got quite a few grails, ones in my ones now. So let me know if you would like to see them, and I'll get them out of the box, because at the minute they're just sitting there, because obviously we can't go out camera properly at the minute. But this, I thought I'd show you one of my mAx ones, Masters of AiR fire. And they're based off, well, the uppers are based off the kid robots, and then you've got all these on the mud guard. They were like grails from over the years, but the originals, which I've also got. So yeah, let me know if you want to see any more grails, and I'll do them for you. Just hit me up in the comments. But yeah, bless, look after yourselves, peace.